So how do you type the Apple logo on the iPad? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, make sure you stay tuned for more tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, obviously, a lot of people know that you can get to the emojis and look up the Apple, but it's not like the Apple logo, of course, right? So the best way to utilize it is to, copy it. You can find it inside of the description of this video below. So make sure you find the Apple logo pasted there in a typed format, like like a single letter, sort of, right? And the way that we can add it to the iPad is by going to the settings, general section, and find the keyboard right there. And you need to look up the text replacement, which lets you add a new one, right? So into the phrase, you're going to paste the copied Apple logo, and then you're going to pick a shortcut, right? So you're going to be replacing the shortcut with the Apple logo, right? So you're going to type in something distinct, like, I don't know, like Apple logo without spaces, or I don't know, just like a shortcut like APL LGO, whatever, right? So it's like the Apple logo, it's going to be in it there, and you just choose that shortcut, and every time you type that, it will turn it into the Apple logo in the typed format, right? So that's how you can add it and save it to your iPad. But initially, you need to find it in the description below this video, and add it to the text replacement. So let me know in the comments if it worked for you. Let me know if there are some questions. Most definitely subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in those tutorials as well.